Story time. So I had to go pick up a tire over at Manny, Mo, and Jack, and there was people coming in and out, so I'm waiting my turn to pick up a tire. And then I see the two service riders running around in Crocks. I'm like, what's going on with our industry here? Like, at what point in time are Crocks safe in the auto repair business, let alone why are you both in basically, like, I don't even know what you call Crocks. Crocks are not an official safety shoe at Manny, Mo's, and Jack's. Manny, Mo's, and Jack's. So this just happened right now. So anyway, I'm standing there and a guy comes in and he folds his receipt out on the counter and he starts telling the story. So I'm listening, right? So he's like, hey, I was in for something, and then you might want to hear this. So I'm over at Manny, Mo, and Jack, right? And then a customer comes in. He says, hey, I was here for something. You said the brakes were low. I gave you the job. I came back and said my brakes are rattling. You guys said you fixed it. I brought it back again. You said my brakes were rattling. You said you fixed it again. I came back a third time. I said my brakes were rattling. He said, finally, I just took it to the dealership. Mm-hmm. So he folds out the dealership receipt and says, all the dealership did was put the brake pads on right. And the receipt said, remove installed brake pads wrong and put them on right.
What the fuck?
Yeah. So then the guys were talking to him. It's like, oh, no, they put parts on there. He goes, no, read what it says. Remove the brake pads and put them on properly. And they just charged me the labor charge. And he gave me a $50 discount because they felt bad that I actually came back here 3 times to get my brakes to stop rattling.
Who is this?
This was just some guy. Like, why wouldn't you just drive across the street to me and say, hey, dude, I don't know what's going on, but I paid these guys and it's not right, and I've been back 3 times. Like, does he not have... He had a confidence to go back to Manny, Mo, and Jack 3 times.
I get what you're saying.
You follow me?
Yeah.
But let alone drive across the street and get a master technician who knows what he's doing to figure out what's wrong with it. And they were actually trying to tell him they put parts on it. He's like, no, read it. Take your pads off and put them on properly.
So they put the pads on wrong?
They put the pads on wrong. But 3 times you couldn't figure it out?
Can't do oil changes right. What makes you think they could do brakes
but
right?
Both the service riders, Rachel, are in Crocks.
Oh, Jesus.
Like, when you're talking about professional environment, like, is Crocks in an auto repair environment the proper safety shoe or
not
shoe?
at all.
Like, I get a sneaker or...
steel-toe boots in here.
Caleb wears steel-toe boots, you know.
Yeah.
Jude wears steel-toe boots. I wear sneakers because I'm running around a lot, you know what I mean?
But still, I mean, like, Crocs?
But what's going on? Is Crocks now the official shoe of the auto repair industry? Somehow I doubt it.
Oh, God.
He literally could have just drove across the street the 3rd time, came here, and paid... Well, obviously he's going to try and get Pep Boys too. Oh, I'm sorry. Manny, Mo, and Jack.
Oh!
I didn't say what location. The guy's in the Crocks over there to give him his $250 back. And then I'm going to check the reviews to see if he actually left a review. Because if I've been back to someplace 3 times for something stupid, I'm really going to lose my it. All right, I got to go to the dealer to pick up parts.